So, it's time to get your vaccination. But have you ever wondered how a vaccine is made and manufactured? There are multiple methods to produce vaccines to treat infectious disease: viral or bacterial processes, recombinant proteins, or mRNA, just to name a few. Now, we are going to focus on the viral vector platform. Viral vectors are viruses that are genetically engineered to create vaccines. The adenovirus, for example, is a frequently used viral vector. It is genetically engineered to carry the genetic coding of the pathogen's antigen so that it can cause the body to produce antigens. An antigen is a molecule present at the surface of the pathogen that can be recognized by our immune system to then generate an immune response. Viral vectors are genetically modified, meaning they are harmless and do not cause disease. However, not all viruses can be used as viral vectors. Candidate viruses must be well characterized, easily and safely produced, and must induce long-lasting immunity. Once the viral vector has been selected, the development and manufacturing process begins. We can do this easily as we know the host cells, how to infect them, how the virus multiplies in a bioreactor, and how to purify the viral vector. For each disease, the manufacturing process remains mostly the same, but the genetic information inserted in the viral vectors differs. This allows for faster development of new vaccines. Producing the vaccine candidate is only one of the steps in the challenge. The vaccine must now go through rigorous regulation and clinical trials to evaluate its efficacy and safety. Once approved, the vaccine is ready for patients. When the vaccine is injected into a patient, the viral vector enters the cell and uses it to produce the antigen, converting the body into a mini factory. The immune system then recognizes and memorizes this antigen, which prevents further infection as your body knows how to fight the pathogen. To learn more about vaccine process development and manufacturing, visit our website www.sartorius.com/vaccine-development.